In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to spawn bosses in Cursed Arena. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the options that you have to spawn a boss in Cursed Arena. There are two main ways that I'm gonna show you in this video, and they are extremely simple to understand. So, you have three bosses currently in the game: the strongest boss, special curse, and sorcerer hunter. Bosses can spawn via a boss chip, which I'm going to show you how to use, or by being in a server long enough. So as you can see on screen, after a while, in a random server, it can be either a public or private server, the boss is simply going to spawn randomly. So all that you have to do is chill in a server, and eventually a boss is going to appear. Usually, in a private server, this will take 25 minutes, but in public servers, this process can be sped up because there is more people. So all that you have to do is join a game and wait. If you want to be sure that a boss is going to spawn in a set amount of time, you can join a private server and start counting down from 25 minutes. But if you are on a public server, just wait and eventually one is going to appear. Alternatively, if you have a boss ticket, you can click on this icon here and you will be able to purchase the boss spawn. So you can instantly spawn the strongest boss, special curse, or sorcerer hunter. And all that you have to do is click them here. You will see the amount that it costs to spawn them, and you will be able to buy the ticket at the left. Usually 145 Robux per, and you will be able to fight them to get a chance of getting these move sets and some lucky drops. So just kill them in any server, join a server and keep waiting, and as long as you are in the top 3 damage dealers of these bosses, you will be able to get these drops and use them, use the move sets, the looks, and so on. So all that you have to do is join a random server and wait, or purchase one of these boss spawn tickets. I hope I was able to help you on how to spawn boss in Cursed Arena. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.